Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you some basic English. So this video is for low level beginners. Let's get started. To learn basic English, first you should know what the consonant and vowels are. So in this video, I want to talk about the difference between consonants and vowels. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters. And in the alphabet there are 5 vowels and rest are consonants. A. This is a vowel. Next, B, C and D are consonants. Another, E. This is also a vowel. Next, F, Z, H are also consonants. I is another vowel. J, K, L, M, N are consonant. O is another vowel. Again, P, Q, R, S, T consonants. Letter U is a vowel. V, W, X, Y, Z are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest are consonants. Before I read them, let me tell you one thing, that all English words have vowels. The first word is car. Here in this word, letters C and R are consonants and A is a vowel. Second word, and. A is a vowel and T are consonants. Egg. E is a vowel. Z are consonants. Hit. H, T are consonants. I is a vowel. Pot. P and T are consonants, whereas O is a vowel. Another word, put. P and T are consonants. U is a vowel. So you can see here in all the words there are vowels. Now let's talk about noun. So let me ask you, what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing or an animal. We put a or an before all the nouns. So when the first letter of the word start with consonants, we put a before it. And if the word starts with vowel, we put an. For example, bat. B-A-T, bat. Here you see the first letter is B and it's a consonant, so we put a bat. Mat. Here in this word, M is a consonant, so we put A. Apple. The first letter is a vowel, A, so we put an before it. A boy. B is a consonant, so we put A. Egg starts with a vowel, so an. Orange starts with a vowel, an orange. A book, consonant. A pen. P is a consonant. U is a vowel, so an umbrella. A park. P is a consonant, so a park. This much for today. Rest of the part I will explain you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any problem, please comment me below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.